Here's what happens when you sign up for driving lessons at Jacob's Driving School. This is Jessica. She just got her driving permit and is now ready to learn to drive. She signs up with Jacob's Driving School for driving lessons. In the very beginning of the first lesson, she learns about the car controls and how to operate the vehicle. Our cars are equipped with backup cameras and a secondary brake on the instructor side for safety. Our certified instructors have completed rigorous training and are very professional and knowledgeable. Each car has large student driver signs on each side as well. During the lesson, Jessica is the one driving. There are no other students in the car, just Jessica and her instructor, so that Jessica gets the trainer's full attention for the entire duration of the class. Jessica learns to drive on the surface streets first, then on the freeways, as well as in and around the airport. She also learns a lot about all kinds of parking and safety. There is a small 10 to 15 minute break in the middle of each class where Jessica comes to our classroom to watch an educational driving video required by the state. Then she goes back out for more driving. During the last lesson, Jessica's instructor facilitates a road test. Once Jessica passes the road test, she receives a certificate that states she has completed our certified course and is ready for her license. Jessica then takes the certificate straight to the MVD and it waives the road test. MVD license fees apply, but she will not have to take the road test as she has passed it at Jacob's Driving School. Jessica just received her license. She is now a safe driver, and as a bonus, she's also received a second certificate that she can send to her car insurance company, and it might help lower her insurance rate.